during manufacturing, in the similar manner, we are going to see the problems that are associated with your coating. Okay, and then we are going to see the remedies for it. Okay, so let us so as I told you, so you prepare a coating solution, and that coating solution now you spray. After spraying, what you do is you apply heat to it, whereby the solvent system is getting evaporated, getting removed, and a film is going to get formed onto it. When you are doing this, what you are doing is you are tumbling the tablets also inside the coating pan. Why you're tumbling the tablet? So that every time a new surface is getting exposed to the spray, and uniform coating layer is getting applied onto this tablet. Okay, and after drying, you are going to remove this tablet. So either when there is some problem in the coating, there has to be problem in what? It has to be problem in the formulation that you're doing. That is a coating solution that you're doing, or there has to be problem in the method of coating. Okay, so your problems are involved revolve around this only, right? Let us move with the first problem. Like you have sticking and picking in your tablet manufacturing, during tablet manufacturing. In the similar manner, you can see this problem of sticking and picking during tablet coating also. So whenever the word sticking and picking comes in your examination, please see whether it is related to your tablet manufacturing, okay, or whether it is related to tablet coating. In both cases, sticking and picking would be different. Your answer is going to be different. Okay. Now, what is sticking in case of tablet coating? It is nothing but two tablets attaching to each other, or the tablet attaching to coating pen. When the tablet attached to each other, it is also known as twinning. Okay. So in some of the literatures, in some of the textbooks, you will be finding the word as twinning. Okay. Twinning also means attaching of tablet to each other. Okay. But in sticking, it is not only attaching the tablet to each other, but these tablets may get attached to the coating pen also. Now, once this tablet get attached to each other, it is sticking or twinning. Now, when the tablet gets separated from each other, now once they are getting attached, and after some time in tumbling process, or once the coating has been totally over, this tablet gets separated from each other, or they get separated from the coating pen. When they get separated from each other or from the coating pen, then one of the tablet loses its coat to the other tablet. So one tablet becomes white, that is that surface wherever it has stick, it becomes white in nature. Okay, whereas the other surface, okay, gains that color, and it also becomes, it has some of the particles of the tablets that are attached to it. Okay, so what we say is one tablet has picked up the coat of the other tablet, right? So what does it result into? It results into the small exposed area of the coat, that is of the tablet. So that surface area, that area where the tablets will stick to each other, that gets exposed, right? So this is about sticking and picking. Now you have to tell me what must be the reason for sticking and picking. If you tell me the reasons, it means then you have understood the chapter. What must be reason? Be a little bit faster. What must be the reason for sticking and picking?
So maybe due to the consistency of the formulation we are making for coating.
Due to the
consistency of the coating formulation.
Consistency of the coating formulations. Okay. Anything else? Due to moisture. Moisture तो बहुत present है, Deep Patel. There is a lot of moisture that is being present. Okay. So speed of rotation, yes, I can agree. But Deep Patel, moisture तो बहुत present है. The whole coating solution is made up of solvent. So there is a lot of moisture. Can you elaborate your answer in a proper way, Deep? Okay. You're right if you modify your answer a little bit. Due to highly viscous coating formulation, okay. Bhatted Kamlesh, fine. Okay. So what is going to happen if the solution is very viscous in nature? You all are thinking on very, very good lines. Okay. The viscosity, you're talking about the speed of rotation, Jivika. Okay, good. Anything else? I want the basic reason. What must be the basic reason for the sticking and picking? Due to high level of attrition, maybe there is a removal of coat. No, first there is regarding just to tell me just to tell me this point. Somebody said that due to high level of attrition, that is Bagad Suyash said. Bagad Suyash, there is a high level of attrition, but coating basically this picking it basically happens, and sticking basically is attaching of tablets to each other. So because of attrition, it may happen that the tablets are stick to each other and they get separated from each other. Attrition से वो हो सकता है, लेकिन sticking नहीं हो सकता. Okay, got it? Sanjana, you said friction. Okay. Then somebody said, I'm not able to see it further. Sticking of coating solution, somebody said is right. Okay, Talati Sanjana said yes. Why does the sticking takes place? Binder we don't add. So yes, we don't add binder over here. We use sugar, which is naturally sticky in nature. Okay, fine. Not only sugar, this happens in film coating also. Okay, it not only happens in sugar coating, it happens in film coating also. In film coating, there is no sugar that has been present. And but Saina has said due to improper drying, which is the first and the major important reason. Okay, Saina, you are absolutely right. It is because of the improper drying. So if there is improper drying, okay, what is going to happen? The surface, these two surface, they are going to be wet, and if the drying is not very effective, tablets are going to stick to each other. So first is improvement of drying is a major important thing that you do in sticking and picking. Okay, let us see to it. Let us see what are the reasons. And but you all were absolutely right. Now these all whatever you have said up till now, आपने जो भी कहा, this all is going to be used in future problems and remedies. Okay, one of the reasons is going to be over wetting. Okay, that is what you are applying the coating solution ka jo rate hai, the spray that is coming, the liquid that is coming out from the guns. Okay, that is at a very high speed. So lot amount of solvent or the coating solution is coming out of the spray. So because of which what happens is the tablets become wet in nature. Okay, and as they become wet in nature, as one of the students has rightly pointed out, these coating solutions are very sticky in nature. The polymers are sticky in nature. Okay, if you take sugar, then sugar solution is sticky in nature. So definitely, if you are adding more amount of coating solution, and if the drying also is not proper, okay, so if the drying is also not proper, and if the amount of coating solution that you are applying is also too very high, then it is going to lead to what? It is going to lead to sticking and picking. These are the two main reasons. Okay, so what you have to do is, one, you have to reduce the liquid application, that is the coating solution, the speed with which you are applying, that you have to remove. Or the second thing what you can do is, you can control the rate of dry. Okay, and the third thing which one of the students also pointed out was, you can go for the change in the formulation also. Okay, but the first two reasons are major important reason. The second thing, so these are the examples where the tablets have stick to each other. So you can see these tablets, they have stick to each other. And now when you separate it, okay, when you are going to separate it, this point over at this point, or you can say at this point, one of the tablet is going to pick the material of other tablet. Okay, or at this point where they have stuck to each other, at this point, so there, this is the place where they have stuck to each other. So when you separate this tablet now, then one of the tablet is going to pick up the coat of another tablet. Okay, and the core is going to get exposed. Right? Understood? So this is about sticking. Twinning also goes on the same line. Twinning is nothing but sticking of tablet to tablet. Okay, when two tablets stick to each other, it is known as twinning. Now, further, there is something known as roughness. Okay, then another problem that you see when you're doing coating is, you see the tablet surface, they become rough. You don't find it to be very smooth in nature. Okay, this is usually, I'm giving you hint, This is usually seen when you do spray, when you use spray guns. Okay, is being used. I give you one more hint why roughness has been caused, and then you have to tell me the causes of it. Okay, I give you one more hint. Whenever the automation यानी the droplet size जो होता है, that is automation, that is coming out of the gun. When the droplet size is very it is atomized, it is very small, then basically you see this problem of roughness. Okay, so what must be the cause of it and how you are going to repair it? How you are going to repair this cause? The one who tells me is going to receive Cadbury chocolate, virtual Cadbury chocolate in your in your industrial pharmacy group. Let me see who can answer this. Roughness, how it can be caused? Don't see textbooks, don't see anywhere. Just think over. I said it is because of automation. One hint I have given you. Second hint I have given you, when you use the spray guns, okay, that time it has been used. So these are the two hints that I have given you. Can you think?
During spraying, sometimes the small air bubble gets captured.
Where? How it gets captured?
Maybe due to the particle size, the coming out of the nozzle of the spray, these molecule
Yeah.
size.
Okay. Little bit near to it. Not a very proper answer. Yeah. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Okay. Improper quantity of plasticizers. Okay. Fine. The frequency of spraying. Ritika said okay. Okay. But fine, I'm very happy you're thinking, you're thinking on the line of plasticizers, you're thinking on the lines of spraying, okay, drying of code solutions and uneven droplet size, okay, uneven spraying of solution, okay. A little bit difficult, it was a little bit difficult. Now let us assume, now this is the tablet and now this is the gun, okay. From this gun the droplets are coming out, okay. So the droplets are coming out of this gun. What happens is, let us assume this is a droplet which is very small in nature. This droplet goes and it sits over here, okay. Let us assume that this is a blue droplet, okay. So this blue droplet comes and sits over here and then it spreads. This is what is happening. So there are many droplets that are coming, they are sitting and on this tablet surface and they are spreading, and at the same time it is getting dry. So this is how the mechanism is of this spray is of coating is happening. Now what happens is, once this droplet comes out of this, so this is the droplet which has come out, which is going to fall over here and it is going to spread, and you are applying heating also, so the heat is also been applied at the same time. So what is going to happen is, this droplet, before it falls onto the surface, this droplet is containing all what all? It is containing the color, it is containing the polymers, it is containing the opacifying agents and everything that is there, it is present over here, and the plasticizer. Okay, this droplet comes over here. By the time it comes over here, this droplet is now dried. The solvent has already evaporated. So now this droplet does not contain any solvent. The solvent has been lost. But what it contains only fine particles of your polymers, because it gets solidified. Absolutely, Mani Brunal, you're absolutely right. It gets solidified and it comes and falls over here. So now it is not going to get spread. Can you see over here? Here it was getting spread. Here it is not going to get spread. Okay, it remains as such on this. And then what you get is, you get a surface whereby you have uniform coating, and in between you get the roughness. I hope I was able to explain you. Okay, so what are the causes of it? Now you tell me what should be the remedy of it. This is the cause, isn't it? That the droplet is getting solidified in between. Before transferring, only in between only it gets solidified. Heating process needs to be controlled. Fantastic, Kamlesh, that you have to reduce the heating. But you have to remember, if you reduce the heating, then the problem of sticking and picking is going to happen, isn't it? लेकिन बराबर है. What you are thinking is absolutely right, that the heating process has to be controlled. What else can be done? So one is speed up the spraying. Okay, speed up the spraying means what? To increase the volume. Again, if you increase the volume, the picking and sticking is going to happen. But yes, if you try to improve one parameter, the other is going to reduce the degree of atomization. Again, if you reduce the degree of atomization, okay, then the particle size will be very large. It is going to fall onto the surface. If it falls onto the surface, then it is not going to spread evenly. That also is going to create a problem. Okay, but yes, absolutely right, Samiha. That is the one thing that you can do is, in order to reduce the roughness, you can reduce the degree of atomization. Yes, right. The process should be fast. Okay, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? The process should be fast. Deep Patel. Okay, now what we actually do is we actually shift this. One of the things what you have said is already right. What we do is we shift this spray near to the tablet bed. Okay, that is one of the things that we do, apart from the other things that you have been telling me. Okay, so let us see the causes. Some of the droplets may dry too rapidly. It does not happen with all the droplets, please remember. So all the droplets coming out does not happen with all the droplets, but some of the droplets may dry too rapidly before reaching the tablet bed, and they get deposited in the form of dry powder. Okay, just like it happens in the case of your spray dried procedure. In spray dried आप वही करते हो ना. In spray dried what you do is you spray the particles in a chamber which is having hot air, hot surface, isn't it? So these particles, they come out and they dry, right? And the similar thing happens over here also. So on the tablet surface, in the spray dried particles, they come and they sit. Okay, and that's why you see the surface roughness. Okay, it also increases with the pigment concentration. If the pigment concentration is too high, okay, or the polymer concentration is too high, okay, in that case also it may be, that may happen. So what are the reasons? One is to increase, if there is an increase, what is the reason? If there is an increased path length between the spray nozzle, as I told you, you have to bring it nearer, okay, then and the tablet bed. So remedy would be, you have to decrease the path length. So you are going to decrease the path length. You are going to bring the nozzle closer to the bed. And second is, one of the person, as the one of the student, as he or she said, that you are going to go for if you go for